If you frequently hear car alarms sounding off at night in your neighborhood, it might be time for a floodlight camera. These devices include a powerful high-resolution camera with horizontal viewing angles of up to 140 degrees. With the ability to produce 2,500 lumens of light or more, these cameras are capable of recording high-quality video, even at night. Floodlight cameras attach to an outdoor light box or operate wirelessly via a rechargeable battery to communicate through the home's Wi-Fi, allowing users to access live and recorded video from a smart device. What's up, guys? Today you'll take a look at the best floodlight cameras you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Amcrest Floodlight Camera. Sometimes the sudden illumination of a bright floodlight isn't enough to deter trespassers. This floodlight camera from Amcrest also blasts them with a 110 decibels motion-activated siren, driving them away with the power of sound, or at least alerting the entire neighborhood that something is afoot on the property. The high-definition 1080p camera with a 114-degree viewing angle accompanies this siren along with two floodlights that produce a combined 2,000 lumens. Live and recorded video footage, available via cloud storage, as well as manual control of the siren and a two-way talk feature are all accessible via the Amcrest app, which communicates with the camera via Wi-Fi. The camera can store footage on an SD card or Amcrest's cloud-based subscription service. Number 4. Eufy Security Floodlight Cam 2 Pro. While most security cameras are limited to pointing in a single direction, the Cam 2 Pro can rotate 360 degrees and tilt, allowing the user to track a visitor or trespasser's movement through the property. It uses artificial intelligence technology and advanced motion detection to lock onto a subject and follow them through the coverage area automatically. 3 LED panels serve as powerful floodlights that produce 3,000 lumens to illuminate the area as the camera tracks and records. The panels are programmable, allowing the user to adjust their color and brightness to suit the time of day. The eufy does not support home base, instead connecting directly to a user's smart device via Wi-Fi. Moving camera technology also doesn't come cheap, as this model costs twice as much as other floodlight cameras. Number 3. Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus. Paired with the Echo Show 5, this Ring Floodlight camera includes a virtual assistant and 5.5-inch display for users to monitor activity outside the home. The camera features two adjustable lamps, which allow the user some latitude for aiming the beams. Combined, the floodlights produce 2,000 lumens. The Ring Floodlight camera offers high-definition 1080p images, which is plenty of clarity for identifying who's at the door. Its camera has a coverage zone of 140 degrees and allows the user to set specific motion detection zones, helping to eliminate false alarms from the neighbor's cat. The camera connects via Wi-Fi to the Echo Show virtual assistant, which allows users to view live or video recorded in cloud storage on its 5.5-inch display, set up alerts, enable a 105 decibels siren, and communicate with visitors via a two-way microphone, all through voice control. Number 2. Eufy Security Floodlight Camera. Eufy's Security Floodlight Camera may be similar in price to other security floodlight cameras, but it's loaded with more features. While most floodlight cameras have a motion-activated feature, this camera's motion detection can differentiate between humans and animals. While most motion detectors simply switch the light on, this model can be set to stay lit at a lower level and then brighten when it detects motion. As with other security camera types, the user can interact with visitors via the camera's two-way audio feature. With two bulbs that produce 2,500 lumens, this floodlight camera is one of the brightest models on the market. And, if the floodlights aren't enough to deter trespassers, the user can remotely engage a high-pitched siren to drive them away. Number 1. Geenie Sentry Wi-Fi Wireless Smart Security Camera. Purchasing a floodlight camera for home security doesn't have to make one feel as though they've been robbed blind. This affordable camera from Geenie offers the coverage and many of the features of higher-priced models at a fraction of the price. Its 1080p HD camera produces clear images ideal for facial recognition, while the floodlight puts out a powerful 2,100 lumens of light, and it's one of the more sophisticated-looking floodlights one can mount to the front of their home. The 140 degrees of coverage is enough to monitor a broad area, and it includes useful additional features such as two-way audio and a 100 decibels security siren. Geenie uses Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing the user to access live and stored camera footage via a smartphone. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.